Hello students, this is the chapter 3 of class 12th, which name is matrices. Before starting the question, we should have knowledge about the word matrices. First of all, matrices is plural word and singular form is matrix. Means if we have two or more than matrix, we call it matrices, and we talk about single matrix, then it is only matrix. What is matrix? It is rectangular arrangement of numbers functions or representation of data in the form of rows and columns. Let's understand with an example how can we represent any data in the form of matrix. Suppose in a school, in a school class 10th has 20 boys and 10 girls. Class 11th has 16 boys and 12 girls, and class 12th has 12 boys and 8 girls. Now we can write this data as boys, girls, 10th, 11th, 12th. Now 10th has boys 20, girls 10. In 11th 16, 12. 12th 12, 8. We can simply understand the information given by these lines. Or we can write 10th, 11th, 12th. Boys, girls. 20, 10, 16, 12, 12, 8. Or we can simply a matrix which has 20, 10, 16, 12, 12, 8. We know that the first column is represent the number of boys and second column represent the number of girls, according to this arrangement. According to this arrangement. Now A is the matrix. Horizontally is known as the rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, and vertically is known as the column. Column 1, column 2. Now, what is matrix? A rectangular representation or arrangement of elements in the forms of rows and columns. Now, take another example of matrix. Suppose B. 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 5. Now it has number of rows. Row 1, row 2, and columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3. So rows is equal to 2, columns is equal to 3, and number of elements. All these entries are known as the number of elements. Number of elements is equal to 6. Now, order of matrix. Order of matrix. Order of matrix is read as rows by column. Rows by column. Then we can see that order of matrix B is 2 by 3. It is not multiplication. It is read as 2 by 3. First we write the rows and then we write the column. Clear? And number of elements in any matrix. Number of elements in any matrix is equal to rows multiply column. Or we can see that if it has row m, if we represent rows by m and column by n, the number of rows, number of elements is mn. According to this mn, 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. Now further, general form of a matrix. General form of a matrix. Suppose matrix A. It is enclosed in square brackets. A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A3, A33, A34. Now this matrix has 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows and 4 columns. Now addressing the element. A12 means the element which is means the element which is situated in first row and second column. A12, this is a first row and second column. First row and second column. A33 means third row and third column. Okay, now that is no fixed rule. The number of rows and number of columns are fixed in any matrix. They can move to the infinity. Let's see an example. A11, A12, A13, A14. now देखो सेम 1 1 1 1 मीन्स सारे एलिमेंट्स किस में है, ये फर्स्ट रो में है. A15 अप टू A1n up to n. Similarly, A21, A22, A23, A24, A25 up to A2n. A31, A32, A33, A34, A35 up to A3n. Now here up to m. AM1 first column, AM2, AM3, AM4, AM5, AMN. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं, अब देखो किसी भी मैट्रिक्स में रोज को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे हम किससे, m से. कॉलम्स को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे किससे, n से. एंड ऑर्डर इज m by n. Is it clear? And number of elements m n. And general form of element is a I j. I show the row position and j is column position. अब देखो एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, उससे समझना क्वेश्चन. सपोज मैट्रिक्स है बी. टू -1 0 0 3 -2 4 -5 6. Find order of B and find A13, A12, A21, A32. Now order of B means m by n. Order is m by n. According to this, what is m? m means number of रोज, नंबर ऑफ रोज। कितनी रोज है इसमें देखो, R1 R2 R3, कितनी रोज हो गई? 3। एंड कॉलम्स C1 C2 C3। तो ऑर्डर क्या बन गया हमारे पास? 3/3। क्या ऑर्डर बना हमारे पास? 3/3। नाउ ऑन A13। A13 मीन्स फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम। फर्स्ट रो कहाँ पर है देखिए, ये फर्स्ट रो, कौन सा कॉलम? थर्ड कॉलम। फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकंड कॉलम, थर्ड कॉलम। फर्स्ट रो में थर्ड कॉलम, तो एलिमेंट कौन सा आ गया? 0 0 1 2। फर्स्ट रो में सेकंड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो में फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम, -1 2 1 मीन्स सेकंड रो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट। सेकंड रो ये हो गई। फर्स्ट कॉलम कौन सा है? देखो लिख देते हैं, कॉलम 1 कॉलम 2 कॉलम 3। सेकंड रो होनी चाहिए और फर्स्ट कॉलम होना चाहिए। तो कौन आ गया यहाँ पर? 0। सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 0 एंड A32। बताओ कौन सा? थर्ड रो, थर्ड रो और सेकंड कॉलम, सेकंड कॉलम कौन आया? -5। ध्यान से देखो, थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम कौन आ रहा कॉमन? -5, जो कि थर्ड रो में भी है और सेकंड कॉलम में भी है। तो क्या हो गया? -5। दिस इज कॉल्ड द एड्रेसिंग ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स। फर्दर ये हमसे पूछता, हाउ मैनी नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन दिस मैट्रिक्स? देन वी नो दैट नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इज इक्वल टू, देखिए लिखा हुआ, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू एम एन, मीन्स m मल्टीप्लाई n। m मीन्स नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड n मीन्स नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स। तो हमारे पास क्या बनेगा? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स m n मीन्स 3 × 3 9 एलिमेंट्स, 9 एलिमेंट्स।